Throughout 2025, political factions have been locked in endless battles, each trying to showcase their strength and capability. Among the political amateur, Tagwirei rushed to reveal his true colors to the people. Tsarapina mashikobwa nyugopangwa na chinodzi Tagwirei, the self-proclaimed favorite who turned out unfit to contest. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timira panguwa ine paendo yamakomisha anotarambira achiti he exposed himself by eagerly grabbing the microphone and addressing thousands of ZANU-PF supporters. In doing so, he showed that he has no respect for the Presidium. He also made it clear that he only offers financial assistance to those who will vote for him at the 2027 ZANU-PF Congress. Furthermore, he revealed his desire to have people fired from their positions so he could replace them with his friends. Tagwirei used money to pay musicians to perform at his rallies and promised people food hampers, all in an attempt to appear as a helper. However, it didn't take long for people to notice his true nature, selfishness, lack of respect, and excessive pride. Now, wherever you go, people are saying Tagwirei is unfit to be a leader. His name has become one of the most hated in ZANU-PF WhatsApp groups. His lieutenants are also issuing death threats and threats of arrest, further damaging his already tarnished image, an image already ruined by his disrespect toward the Presidium, especially toward VP Chiwenga. His camp once claimed Tagwirei as an obvious winner, but they forgot one important fact. ZANU-PF is a revolutionary party, and the revolution cannot be bought with cash. It stands. Now, his name is among the most hated by both factions. Tomashwanbula togopangwa ine pamusoro paTagwirei. In comment section medu ndizamafunguro emo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.